Hello and welcome to a somewhat late, I'm sorry, Simple Stamping Saturday. It's just been one of those weeks and life got ahead of me and that's all there is to say really. So this week I'm going to be using the Great Tidings stamp set and of course the matching dies, the Wise Men Tidings dies. And these are gorgeous. So we've got a frame, we've got, I'm guessing Bethlehem, three kings, obviously. This is the gold, frankincense and myrrh outline, a star and some little bits of extra adornment, which I'm not actually going to be using, but anyway. So, being Simple Stamping Saturday, we start with just a note card and envelope, and this week I am using white. So this is a basic white note card and matching envelope, and I've got the three kings just stamped in a row with the star, and I've used a little bit, I don't know if it's picking up, a little bit of Wink of Stella, and then on the envelope again the gold, frankincense and myrrh with a little bit of Wink of Stella just for a little bit of bling. So let me grab a new note card and envelope, and I'm using grey granite, crumb cake and soft suede in that order. I'm going to start from the right side and move across to the left. Now I just need to make sure I've got my note card the right way up. So this is where the dent is and this is where the lump is, and that's the right way to get a nice crisp crease in your card. So inking up the stamp and then just in the bottom right hand corner popping down my first wise man or king, depending on what your view of these things is. Now I am going to need that again, so I might as well do that now, and that is for the star, which is going to go up in the top left corner like that. So let's close that up because I don't need grey granite anymore. Crumb cake is next, and you'll understand why I've chosen these colours in a moment when we look at the next projects. You could of course just use one colour. There is no reason to use more than one, other than it does obviously give you a little bit of a difference for each of the kings or wise men. And last is one of my favourite colours, and I know it's brown, but it's still one of my favourite colours, and that is soft suede. And I like it because it's dark enough to be dark, but light enough not to be too dark. Early Espresso is a great imitation black if you're using warm-toned colours. Soft suede is a definite brown, especially once it's dried back. Whereas, as I say, the Early Espresso tends to be quite dark. Wink of Stella, and I'm literally just adding some Wink of Stella to my star and then to the crowns or turbans of the wise men and their gift. So I'm going to go in colour order, as it were. So grey granite first, and I've used grey granite because it's a softer grey. Smoky slate is what I would call a cold grey, whereas grey granite is a warm grey, so it goes better with the warm tones of crumb cake and soft suede. Oh, I forgot his little jar there, or bottle I suppose, and his jar. And then the turban, and if the colour moves around as well, that's fine. That's one of the added benefits of using your Wink of Stella onto classic ink. There we go. So that is our card. Now we need to do our envelope. So I've got the stamp with the gold, frankincense and myrrh. Let's make sure that we know which way up is. And for this, it doesn't actually matter which colour you use, but I think I will use the grey granite again. It is one of my, I think it's probably my favourite grey. because it is warm, and just stamp that in the bottom right hand corner. Now in the UK there's no issue with having stamping on the outside of your envelope. You can pretty much do whatever you want. There aren't any regulations around what you can and can't use in the post, but I know in some countries there are restrictions on how much decoration you can have, what size of envelope you can have, etc, etc. UK, so long as you can get the stamps and the address on, not really an issue, so you can go as small or as large as you like. Obviously you pay the postage accordingly, but small is small. So we could do 3 by 3, for example, and that would be absolutely fine. So that is my envelope with its little bit of bling, and my kings with their bling, and then all I need to do is fold in the crease, grab my bone folder and give that a really good press, and there is our simple card. So for our stepped up versions, for this one I have stamped in Versamark and then individually stamped in Versamark and then heat embossed in silver, gold and copper, and then the star is in silver as well. And then this was Whisper White, not Whisper, Basic White, and I've just added Night of Navy with one of our blender brushes, and I cut some masks just to pop over each of the kings so that they are now white popping out. Pop it on a white mat and then put some basic rhinestones on to act as stars, and obviously one in the middle of the Star of Bethlehem. So that's our first stepped up version. Obviously Night of Navy card base, and you would need a liner for the inside, but that's our stepped up version. And then for our second stepped up version, I've used the frame and I've inlaid gold foil round, and all I did for this was put tear and tape behind. I've left the backing on the tear and tape, but it was just so that it was sticky, and I just inlaid each of the little bits of gold. This is just die cut. Then for the background I've got basic black for my hill, and then I've used some of the black glitter paper and then added white chalk white marker and clear ink of Stella for the lights coming out of the houses, and then our 3 kings just coloured with blends, and again we've got a little bit of bling from the clear ink of Stella. So those are my 3 cards. So as I say, sorry we're late today. As the saying goes, better late than never. I hope you enjoyed those. If you did, please give them a thumbs up. Questions or comments below in the description, below the description bar, and there's a link to my website with some close-up photos and a bit more information about how I made these. Associated blog post, click that link and you will jump over to my website. Thank you very much indeed. Have a fantastic rest of your weekend. Do remember that we've still got the starter kit offer, £75 instead of £99 for £130 of product, and if you're in Europe that is €100 instead of €125 for €179 of product. Free shipping. It's a great time to join. Next month you will be able to pre-order from the new mini catalogue that comes out in January. One of the benefits of being a demonstrator is to get that early access to the pre-order. So lots of new stuff to buy. Thank you very much indeed. Have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!